Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to add optional features in Windows 11 operating system. So optional features are those features which adds extra functionality to your Windows 11 operating system, and you can enable these features on your demand and at your convenience. And we have got two methods to enable optional features in this video guide. Now coming to the first method, and in this case we will use settings app to enable optional features. Just open the settings app and go to apps, then select optional features, which says extra functionality for your device. Inside optional features, you can completely manage optional features. Here you can see the already installed optional features. Now in case if you want to add new optional feature, then click view features. Now in the search bar you can search for any optional features like RSAT, or you can also browse through the list and select an optional features to install. You can just click on the drop down next to the feature to understand what that optional feature offers. So for an example, in this video I will install XPS Viewer, which allows to manage XPS documents. So I have just selected it and then clicked next. In case if you want to add more features, you can click on this link, edit or add more optional features, else you can click on install button. And here you can see that under recent actions, this XPS Viewer feature is now installing. It may take a while to install these features. Make sure your system remain connected to the internet while you are doing this. So after a while, we have seen that the additional feature we selected here, which is XPS Viewer, is installed in few moments. And here you can see that earlier we have 13 features, now we have 14 features installed on this system, including the XPS Viewer. So this was the easiest method to install optional features on your Windows 11 operating system. Now coming to the second method, in which we will use commands to install optional feature. So right click on the start button and select terminal admin. In the administrative Windows PowerShell, which opens by default in terminal window, paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. This command will basically list the optional features available for your Windows 11. Some of them may be installed on your device, while some of them may not be present. Here the state shows this data. The not present optional features are not installed, while the installed ones are already installed. Here you can see that XPS Viewer is installed because we installed it using the first method. Next you have to type in this command, and you can paste this command from the video description, and you have to substitute a feature name in this command. So after capability name column, you have to add the optional feature name, and from this list you can just copy the optional feature name. For example, I will be copying app wireless display connect, and whatever the numbers are next to it, just copy this name and paste it next to the capability name, and this command is now completed. It is a DISM command. Now press the enter key to add this optional feature, and here you can see that the deployment operation has been started. And again you have to remain connected to the internet to complete this operation. Now this may take a while to complete this deployment operation, and once it is completed, this optional feature will be added to your device. So here you can see that the operation has completed successfully. This means the command executed successfully and the feature is now added. If you like, you can again run the same command I shared you previously. So we will just copy back the same command to list all the features, and we will verify that if the optional feature we tried to install here using this is added or not. So I'll just copy the command and paste it here. Use Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste as usual. And again this command has executed successfully and list all the features available to Windows 11 as an option. And here you can see that the app wireless display connect is now shown as installed. Previously it was shown as not present, but using the DISM command we installed it, and now we can verify that the optional feature has been installed successfully. If you have any question about these methods, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.